sure how this Amsterdam greenish blue was going to look next to my other colors. My other colors are Arteza Pearl Cactus Green, Arteza Sea Green with a few drops of Payne's Gray mixed into it, just to darken it up just a little bit. Very pretty. And then Folk Art Treasure, Folk Art Treasure Gold, and this is in the Fire Opal. And I have to thank Doris from DF Designs for sending me that bottle. She sent me that and the antique cover. But this is the one we're using today, and I put a few drops of the Golden Fluid Acrylic Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold in it, just to kind of orangey it up a little bit more, because when I was mixing it, it was a very kind of an orchid pink color. So, okay. But yeah, I just don't know how this one is going to play with these others. So I thought I would do a little 8x10 test canvas first, and that is why we've got this old raggedy one down here, because we're going to make a mess, and then we got to start over, and cleanup's just going to be a lot easier with this one down. So, all right, I'll put that there. Here we go. There. My paints are all mixed with Elmers School Glue and water, and that is 70% Elmers School Glue, 30% water, shaken to the point of insanity. And then I mix these 1 part paint to 2 parts School Glue pouring medium. This is Artist Loft Flow White, and that's going to be our base. And I did add just a little bit of water to make this thinner than the other paints. And then I'm thinking I'm going to do Amsterdam Turquoise Green as a swipe color. It is an opaque, so it should sell or lace the way I want it to. But we'll do a quick test and find out. This is going to be mixed 1 part paint to 3 parts School Glue pouring medium. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up, and we'll get started.
Tell me got you ready to go. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting. bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Step back to see the truth.